Hi, it's Pat Hanahoe-Dosch, your professor again, and I'm here today to talk to you about your short story assignment. You're going to write a fully developed short story. We'll talk about what that is later, but for now, understand that it must have a protagonist, which is the main character, an antagonist, which is the character or force of some sort that works against the protagonist. There must be a conflict of some kind. No story is interesting without a conflict, and that conflict must eventually get resolved in some way. It doesn't have to be happily, somehow it has to be resolved. You may use any style or tone that you wish. There's no specified length, however, it must be complete. It is unlikely that you can write a fully developed short story in less than 4 typed double-spaced pages. Most will be longer than that. Be careful you don't want to go up to like 50 pages. Then you're probably working on a novel instead of a short story. But talk to me if you find yourself writing that much. Make sure that everything in it is relevant and necessary. Make sure it has a plot, conflict, a protagonist, and an antagonist. If you have difficulty deciding what to write about, you might try using ideas from some of the exercises in your Writing Down the Bones textbook. All of the writing exercises are designed to help you find a story to tell. Feel free to use them, feel free not to use them. Whatever story you choose to write, make sure it is of the best quality you can produce. It must be typed and double-spaced with your name, my name, the course name, and the date on the front right corner of the title page. You will, of course, give it a title. If you need help with this assignment, ask for it. There are no stupid questions except the ones not asked. It's what I'm here for. Please ask questions. For those of you who cannot find something to write about, try this. Rewrite your favorite fairy tale into a modern story. Make all the characters human in today's world and set the story somewhere in a real place. It's just a thought, just a suggestion. If you have other problems still finding a topic or you just can't get into the story, ask me. Chat, we can do a chat, we can do Zoom, we can do whatever, a phone call, email, whatever. Maybe I can help you. Okay, so make sure you contact me. Note, this short story will be critiqued in a workshop. However, you may also include another short story in your portfolio when you turn that in, as well as this one, not instead of it, as well as it, if you wish. It's a way perhaps of making your portfolio better. You can get feedback. I will write feedback on all of the things that are in the portfolio, and that way you can maybe get some more feedback and have a little more fun writing more stories. It's up to you. Okay. All right. Again, ask me if there are any questions or problems. Let me know. Talk to you later.